Hi, Karen here. I just sold the last wall planter. Time to make a new one. Here's how. I use a round shape, like this styrofoam dome, to make a mold. I mix up some Portland cement and add enough water to make a thick soup consistency. I cut this fabric into long strips, then I immerse the strips in the cement, squeeze out the excess, and apply the strips onto the mold, overlapping as I go. Next, I put some fabric mesh on top and added one more coat of cement with a paintbrush. I let it cure slowly under plastic. I used a piece of waterproof board, attached the two pieces together front and back with cement. And now the fun begins. Here's my sketch. I'll use Apoxie Sculpt as my adhesive for the face. I use cups and stained glass plus glass globs to make the eyes. As you see, the nose is a cup handle. I use dishes, tiles, stained glass to put the features on, and more cup handles for ears. My plan is to use aluminum foil for the hair shape, and I use Apoxie Sculpt to add her mosaic hair. She gets 2 ribbons in her hair and a pearl necklace. It's time to grout. Ta-da! Here she is in all her glory. She was so fun to make. I hope you enjoyed watching her get made too. Thanks for watching. Bye!